Hello, my name is Dalila Villanueva, and this is my Gadget Find Evidence. In this activity, I compare Xiaomi, Redmi, and Motorola One Fusion cellulars. I find here similitudes and difference. Okay. The Motorola's memory is as fat as Xiaomi's. Motorola screen is bigger than Xiaomi Redmi. Motorola's processor is faster than Xiaomi's processor. Xiaomi's battery is less durable than Motorola's One Fusion. Xiaomi's camera is as good as Motorola's. And the Xiaomi's Redmi has more launch capacity than Motorola One Fusion. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.